Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to make apps smaller on iPhone iOS 18. So if your iPhone apps are kind of big or they're too big for your liking and I want to reduce the size and show the application label or name, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to make apps smaller on iPhone iOS 18, all you just need to do is press and hold your iPhone home screen just like this. Then go ahead and click on the edit button at the top left. You want to click on customize afterward. Once you hit the customize, then you should see this menu pops. On the menu, you can set dark mode or light mode, automatic, or change apps color on your iPhone home screen. Now to turn on or make the apps smaller on your iPhone, just select small. Then once you hit small, then you should see the app size adjusted and the app name or label will pop. Then just go ahead and click outside, and then you should see the application become smaller with the label or name. So that is basically how to make apps smaller in iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.